Agpadang excited dagiti grade 12 STEM student asalin kan Eliander asimrek para iti panagsubli ti klase da kalpasan ti holiday break. Para kadakwada, umdasen ti dua alawas a bakasyon da.
Okay lang naman po yung bakasyon ko kasi na-spend ko yung time ko with my family and also with my friends, ma'am. Excited at the same time, nervous mat lang po since panagrelasyon di klase baka damaganda no anya tinaadal mo di last year kung kadan tumat lang, ma'am. Actually excited nakmat lang, ma'am, kan happy nakmat lang kasi makita mat lang naging classmates ko kan friends ko mat lang ano, ma'am.
I am mixed emotions pati maramram da maktata kasi excited mat lang at the same time. Mayat kasi agsubli ti classes makita dagiti friends kon kan di teacher mi ko. Naka-rest na mutten so nga mobra mat ang dagiti academic kailangan kong mobraan.
100% met ang nakasagana ti pagadalan ken dagiti manursuro iti panagsubli dagiti ubing.
Sakbay ti opening for 2026, teachers were able to check their classrooms 2 days before they came to school and check the classrooms, to check our environment, the surroundings, the campus, and see to it that we are clean, the school is clean, it's safe and ready for the opening or comeback of the students.
Inpeteng ti principal ang napaingat pa iti seguridad iti pagadalan. Namnamaen da ang naka-recharge ken nakasagana dagiti estudyante para iti panagsubli ti klase ita atawen.
They still have the feeling of vacationing, but then we will try to return the momentum of that studying for them. We know that our students, if they have enjoyed their vacation, we know that they will also enjoy schooling. For 2026, I wish everyone a joyful, peaceful, and hopeful for everybody, and making Abra High School is still home of the champions.
Kabayatan na, itaabulan ti Enero, manamnama amaangay ti Provincial Athletic Meet. Aglepas met ti klase intun March 31, 2026, ken manamnama ti panagsubli ti tradisyonal a June to March school calendar. Jessica Boreta, Balitang, Solid North.